Yes, good morning, students. How are you? Fine. Yes, students, can you tell me in this pic, one brother and one sister are there, what they are talking about? Can you tell me what they are talking about? Yes, and what they are doing, from where they are coming, as they are having trolley in their hand, and in the trolley too many books are there, and girl is having a bag in her hand, and what they are talking about. Yes, sister is saying to her brother that we should move fast because carrying these heavy bags for long is difficult for her. She is saying to her brother that we should move fast. Why we should move fast? Because she is getting tired, because she has carried a very heavy bag in her hands, and her brother is also saying, I am tired of walking so long, but I am still trying hard to push this trolley. I need some energy. So, what they need? They need energy for doing this work. What kind of work? Because they are doing the work of pushing the trolley, and she is doing the work of picking a heavy box. In this way, they need energy. What do you mean by energy, beta? Yes, as they are talking about कि we need energy. Energy means the ability to do work. Energy means the ability to do work. They need energy because they are doing some work. They are applying force, and for force they need energy. Now, can you tell me when you are sleeping, then also you need energy? When you are not doing any work, only when you are sleeping, it means when you are sleeping, you are not doing any work, then also you need some energy or not? No, ma'am, because we are not doing work, but in sleeping also, beta, you are doing work. In sleeping, what kind of work you are doing? In sleeping, you are taking oxygen, you are breathing, you are digesting the food. So many work are going on, so many organs are performing work in your body. So these organs need energy continuously. Understand, beta? We need energy for our life process, like breathing, like respiration, in walking, in running, in other activities. We need energy. Okay, now question is, from where you get this energy? We get this energy from the food, and food we get from plants as well as animals. This is very much easy question. Can you tell me, name the food which you get from the plants? Yes, fruits, vegetables, grains, sugar, oil. Yes, very good. Wheat grains, as yes, it means food you are getting from plants. Then name the food which you are getting from the animals. Yes, ma'am, we are getting milk. Yes, then from animals, eggs. meat, ghee, curd. Ghee, curd are prepared from milk, you can say. So these all things you are getting from animals. It means we get energy from the food we eat, and we get food from the plants as well as from the animals. Now, plants are also living beings. They also need energy. Then, how plants get energy? From where they get energy? Yes, beta. Plants get energy from the sunlight in the form of sunlight to make their food. To make their food, plants get energy from sunlight to perform life process. Plants also need energy to carry out life process like growing, producing flowers, producing seeds, producing fruits, because plants produce flowers, seeds and fruit, and they need energy to do these work. And plants make their food by photosynthesis. They store food in some parts like roots, stems, leaves, to use at the times when the leaves can't make enough food for the plant. Sometimes leaves are not getting sunlight, they are not able to make their food. Then from where the leaves get their food? Leaves get their food from the stored food, which is in some parts like root, stem, even leaves also. Okay, beta? Yes. Now, today we have studied about what is energy, why do we need energy, where is energy found, and how we get energy. This we have discussed today. Now, in the next video, beta, we will discuss about the different forms of energy, and what are ingredients. What do you mean by ingredients? So read page number 119, 120. Then we will discuss tomorrow these topic, different forms of energy, and write 1 mark question answer from page number 118 and 119. That's all from my side. Thank you. Have a nice day.